Looking for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialize in installation, testing, maintenance, and repairs to keep your water supply safe and compliant with local regulations. A faulty backflow preventer valve can lead to water contamination and safety risks. That's why we offer same-day service to Edmonton homeowners and businesses, ensuring your plumbing system stays protected. With certified technicians and over a decade of experience, we provide fast, reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's annual testing, emergency repairs, or a new installation, Kingstree Plumbing has you covered. Protect your home or business in Edmonton today. Call or book online now for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Edmonton.